So I've broken down this final project into 3 main steps. One is to draw the building, and I've broken that down into smaller subsets as well to give you smaller bits to digest easily. So the second main set will be to draw in some of the decorations. This is going to include the doors, the windows, the plants, and the chairs for our movie house. And then the final main section will be all the annotation, and we'll break that down as well. So let's start with the doors. Let's make sure we're on the right layer. We're going to go to door. That's the layer we want to use. So setting door layer as current. Now we need to insert our door block. Now we set these up earlier in a previous section. So we just use the insert command, and we can look for the door imperial. Now remember, this is a dynamic block. So we're going to insert it. And because it's a dynamic block, a lot of times it's going to try to automatically match some of your lines. You see how it kind of automatically twists around? It's trying to interpret what I'm trying to do. So you're just going to have to position it until it gets right. And if it doesn't, it's all right. We can use move and rotate if we have to. So I'm clicking on the midpoint here, but I missed. It's all right. We're going to use the move command. Select it, start, grab the midpoint, put the midpoint in right there. You see our door isn't quite large enough. That's all right. This is a dynamic block. Select the block, click on these arrows, and stretch it out. In fact, I want to move this using the move command. Put it all the way at the end there. Okay, that's our first door. Now let's put in a few more. We'll put one in here. Use the insert command. Click OK. Drop it into place. And again, if it doesn't go right, use your move command and snap right into the end. And then stretch it out so it's to the right width. Now, since we have the door in here already, we can use the copy command, and we can just copy this to wherever we want to go. I want to put one down here. I want to put one here. Select this, and we're going to flip it. Now I just need to move it to my endpoint. Now these are at the right size, so I don't need to adjust them. But what I do want is them to be external opening doors. So I'm going to select them, click on those, and there we go. Now they open to the outside. We're going to move them again. We're going to select both of them, press enter, grab that endpoint to that endpoint. And there we go. I'm going to copy both of these again. I'm going to grab this point, and I'm going to put them in here. Press return. Now use the rotate command. Select both of these, press enter, grab that point right there, and with your ortho on, open them up. They should fall right into place. Now I'm going to use the mirror command. Select both of these doors, press enter, type in MID for midpoint, grab the midpoint of that wall, just move your mouse straight up, left click, and type in Y. Yes, I want to delete the source objects. And there are all of our doors.